Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the measure tool in TradingView in 2026 so that you could quickly check the distance, the percentage change and the number of candles. So if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this particular Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions of TradingView. Plus, you will get additional 1 month absolutely for free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you explore the offers if you are interested. So, first of all, in order to use the measure tool, simply come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, first of all, you need to launch the chart in front of you. Once you see your chart here, in order to access the measure tool, simply hover over to the tools section here in the left hand side. Over here, this scale type of icon is our measure tool. When you click on it, it will be activated, and now you just have to come here on your chart. Here, once you have the measure tool available, you need to click on your chart at that point where you want to start measuring. For example, let's say I want to start measuring from here. So I'm going to be just clicking on it. Then you just have to drag your cursor to the second point just like so. Now TradingView will instantly show you four things here. First of all, it will show you the price difference. Then it will show you the percentage change, the number of bars and the exact time distance between these 2 points. So if you want to measure it again, you just have to click anywhere else and the tool doesn't stay logged. You can just simply keep the measuring as many times as you want. So to clear the measurements, you just have to simply click anywhere else as I've told you on the chart, or you can also switch back to the normal cursor using the select tool at the top of the toolbar. So here again, you can select the measure tool, then you can start measuring just like so. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.